Introducing Apple Vision Pro, Apple's first spatial computer. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest advancements in technology. Today, we have something truly groundbreaking to share with you. Apple has unveiled their latest creation, Apple Vision Pro. This remarkable spatial computer revolutionizes the way we interact with the digital world, seamlessly blending it with our physical surroundings. In this video, we will delve deeper into the extraordinary features of Apple Vision Pro, its innovative spatial operating system, and the immersive experiences it offers. So sit back, relax, and join us as we uncover the endless possibilities of Apple Vision Pro. Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, declared the start of a groundbreaking era for computing. Apple Vision Pro, representing spatial computing, joins the ranks of Mac and iPhone as a game changer. Leveraging decades of innovation, Vision Pro showcases an unprecedented input system and numerous groundbreaking advancements. This compact wearable device, the pinnacle of personal electronics, integrates hardware and software seamlessly. Apple's Vice President of the Technology Development Group, Mike Rockwell, highlighted the extensive invention involved in creating this standalone spatial computer. With unmatched user experiences and exciting prospects for developers, Vision Pro heralds a new frontier in technology. Extraordinary new experiences. Apple Vision Pro revolutionizes personal computing, offering extraordinary experiences that transform app interaction, content consumption, and connection with others. Users can now engage with their favorite apps, capture memories, enjoy immersive entertainment, and connect via FaceTime in a whole new way. The visionary visionOS presents a three-dimensional interface, liberating apps from display constraints, allowing them to coexist seamlessly at any scale. With limitless screen space, access to preferred apps, and enhanced multitasking, productivity soars. Additionally, by wirelessly integrating Magic Keyboard and Magic Trackpad, users can create a spacious 4K display with crystal clear text, enabling a versatile and portable workspace or extending Mac capabilities to Vision Pro. Engaging entertainment experiences. Equipped with dual ultra-high resolution displays, Apple Vision Pro has the power to convert any environment into a personalized cinema, delivering a screen experience that rivals a 100-foot wide display. Complemented by an advanced spatial audio system, users can indulge in movies, TV shows, and captivating three-dimensional films. Apple Immersive Video enhances the experience with 180-degree high-resolution recordings and spatial audio, while a diverse collection of immersive videos transports users to unexplored realms. The realm of gaming expands with spatial computing, enabling a range of immersive titles that plunge gamers into entirely new worlds. Additionally, users can enjoy over 100 Apple Arcade games on a customizable large screen, complemented by immersive audio and compatibility with popular game controllers. Immersive environments. Environments on Apple Vision Pro redefine the boundaries of physical spaces, allowing users to expand their world through dynamic and visually stunning landscapes. These virtual environments serve multiple purposes, such as aiding focus or reducing visual clutter in busy surroundings. By simply twisting the digital crown, users gain control over their level of presence and immersion within an environment, providing a customizable and adjustable experience tailored to individual preferences. Whether seeking heightened concentration or a sense of tranquility, environments on Apple Vision Pro offer a transformative and personalized journey within a virtual realm. Memories come alive. Apple Vision Pro introduces Apple's inaugural three-dimensional camera, enabling users to capture, relive, and immerse themselves in cherished memories accompanied by spatial audio. Each spatial photo and video transports users back to significant moments, such as joyous celebrations with friends or cherished family gatherings. With seamless integration with iCloud, users can access their complete photo library and view their photos and videos at a life-size scale, showcasing vibrant colors and remarkable details. Panorama shots taken on iPhone extend and envelop the user, creating the illusion of being physically present at the exact location where the photo is captured. Apple Vision Pro truly brings memories to life in a captivating way. FaceTime becomes spatial. Apple Vision Pro enhances FaceTime calls by utilizing the surrounding space, presenting participants in life-size tiles and employing spatial audio to create a realistic audio experience. When wearing Vision Pro during a FaceTime call, users are represented by a persona, a digital avatar generated through advanced machine learning. The persona mirrors real-time facial and hand movements, enhancing the sense of presence. Users can engage in shared activities during calls, such as watching movies, browsing photos, or collaborating on presentations. Apple Vision Pro transforms FaceTime into an immersive and interactive experience, bringing people together in a more engaging and dynamic way. Even more app experiences. Apple Vision Pro introduces a redesigned App Store, providing users with a platform to explore apps and content from developers. The store offers access to a vast selection of familiar iPhone and iPad apps that seamlessly adapt to and utilize Vision Pro's new input system. Furthermore, Apple's developer community is empowered to leverage Vision Pro's powerful and distinctive capabilities, along with visionOS, to create innovative app experiences and reimagine existing ones for spatial computing. This opens up exciting possibilities for developers to craft immersive and transformative applications that leverage the full potential of Apple Vision Pro and its spatial computing capabilities. A revolutionary operating system and user interface. visionOS, developed on the foundation of macOS, iOS, and iPadOS, is purpose-built to meet the low-latency demands of spatial computing. This groundbreaking operating system empowers users with immersive spatial experiences that leverage their surroundings, unlocking boundless possibilities both professionally and personally. With its innovative three-dimensional interface, visionOS seamlessly integrates digital content into the user's physical world, incorporating natural light and shadows to provide an enhanced sense of scale and depth. Apple Vision Pro introduces a revolutionary input system, enabling intuitive navigation and interaction through eye, hand, and voice commands. Users effortlessly browse apps with gaze, select with taps, scroll with wrist movements, and dictate using voice. Eyesight, a remarkable feature of Apple Vision Pro, fosters connectivity with others. When someone approaches a Vision Pro wearer, the device cleverly becomes transparent, allowing both parties to see each other, while also displaying the user's eyes. Even while engrossed in an environment or utilizing an app, Eyesight provides visual cues to onlookers, indicating the user's current focus of attention. This innovative functionality ensures that users can maintain a connection with their surroundings and effectively communicate their engagement, further enhancing the social experience facilitated by Apple Vision Pro. Breakthrough design. Apple Vision Pro is the epitome of Apple's expertise in designing high-performance products like Mac, iPhone, and wearables. It surpasses all previous personal electronics with its exceptional blend of performance, mobility, and wearability. This compact device incorporates cutting-edge materials, including a single piece of meticulously formed and polished glass that acts as an optical lens for the array of cameras and sensors, seamlessly merging the physical and digital realms. The custom aluminum alloy frame gracefully contours the user's face, while modular components ensure a tailored fit. Soft textile light seals conform to the user's face, flexible straps secure audio near the ears, and the knitted headband offers cushioning, breathability, and adjustability. Unrivaled innovation in hardware. Apple Vision Pro redefines portable computing with its exceptional performance and compact wearable design. Powered by an innovative Apple Silicon chip, it incorporates a groundbreaking ultra-high-resolution display system. Utilizing micro OLED technology, the two postage stamp-sized displays boast an astonishing 23 million pixels, offering wide color gamut and high dynamic range for immersive visuals. Enhanced further by custom catadioptric lenses, Vision Pro achieves remarkable sharpness and clarity, captivating users with jaw-dropping experiences. For users with vision correction requirements, Zeiss optical inserts ensure optimal visual fidelity and precise eye tracking. Apple Vision Pro sets a new standard for portable computing, combining cutting-edge technology and seamless design. Spatial audio in Apple Vision Pro immerses users by simulating sounds emanating from their surroundings, tailoring the audio to the specific space. Each audio pod contains two drivers, amplifying personalized spatial audio based on the user's head and ear geometry. Industry-leading privacy and security. Built with a strong emphasis on privacy and security, Apple Vision Pro puts users in control of their data. Optic ID, a secure authentication system, utilizes invisible LED light exposures to analyze a user's iris and instantly unlock the device by comparing it to encrypted optic ID data stored in the secure enclave. User eye movements and tracking information are kept private and not shared with Apple, third-party apps, or websites. Camera and sensor data processing occurs at the system level, safeguarding user surroundings from individual app access. When capturing spatial photos or videos, eyesight includes a visual indicator to signal others. Pricing and availability. Starting at $3,499 US, Apple Vision Pro will be available on Apple.com and in the US Apple Store locations early next year, with global availability expanding later. Personalized fitting and experience sessions can be accessed at Apple Store locations.